Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you real past conditions. In order to learn this, we need to see the usage. So here we have the usage. It refers a real past situation. Now it's time to see the structure. So the structure is here. If subject had third form verb, object, subject, would have, might have, could have, third form verb plus object. Now it's time to see the examples. So for example is, if we had a car, we would have dropped you. If we had a car, we would have dropped you. So here we are saying that, for example, you went somewhere and you are saying, yeah, if we had a car now, you are saying, for example, your all family are saying that, if we had a car now, we would have if we had a car now, we would have dropped you. Getting me? So here we are saying that real past means we did not have a car. Here we do not have a car, but here we are just saying, here if we had a car now, we would have dropped you. Second example is, if I had passed exam, I would have gone abroad. If I would have gone exam, I would have gone abroad. Means right now he is not a pass exam and definitely he has not gone to abroad. Getting me? So this is real pass. Means if we will have the pass exam, he could have gone to definitely you can say to abroad. Getting me? If we see the structure, so first is if, definitely then we have subject. What is mean by subject? Subject means doer. Means that he, she, it, they, we, means who. Getting me? It can be Naveed, it can be naveedplace.com. Getting me? So here we have we and definitely we have I. And then definitely we have had, then we have had. And why do we have two had? Because first is definitely a structure had and second is a second form of verb. As you know that the word first form is have and second form is had. Getting me? So the verb first form is have and the verb second form, third form is had. Getting me? So the third form is had. Getting me? And definitely object is very important to complete the meaning of the sentence. For example, if I don't use object, so you will not get the proper meaning of this sentence. For example, if I say that if we had it, if you say just say if we had it, you say sir, if we had it what? Are you kidding with? What? If we had it what? If I don't use object, so you will not get the proper meaning. But as I'm using object, so you are no more confused. Definitely then we have the we and definitely will have, might have, could have. If you don't know what are the usage of this, so you can visit my website www.naveedplace.com. In naveedplace.com, this is called perfect modals. So go in perfect modals. I have made lectures on definitely getting in. Then definitely we will use would have, then verb third form. The third form is drop. Verb first form is drop and verb third form is drop. And definitely object definitely. And then if we see the second example, so we have if, then subject, then had, and then the past is third form. Exam definitely object, I, subject, will have definitely would have, could have, might have, according to their usage. And definitely third form is gone. Go is first form, went is second form, and gone is third form. And definitely object is abroad. So this was a lecture on real past. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.